nails, well, they recover them.
Yeah, but I mean, how does nails work through that?
Well, they just don't. It's compressed enough that the nail's not going to be an issue. It's, if there's a little nail hole in there, there's no moisture in there.
Yeah.
There'll be less than 5% moisture in there. So it's not that there's something on the bottom of there that's going to ooze out and all over the place. If I stack a day's worth in my yard, so we're doing about 140 of these a day at the moment, and we lift them up the next day to take them out to landfill or wherever we're taking them, there's nothing on the ground. Absolutely nothing.
So are they already stockpiling?
I can, at the moment we're sending it to landfill. So I can send it to landfill as a bale like this, or I can send it in bulk in a bulk bin. Right?
Yeah.
Because we've got the baling plant there, so we're still commissioning the baling plant, which Renew own. Okay, so I contract to Renew to bale waste, my waste for them. Okay, so we need to get good at baling. So we're using the baling plant. Yes.
But that stuff is going to
Yeah, yeah. We've got the option. We can store it or send it to landfill. We do store some of it. We've got a site in Christchurch where we've got some of the store, and we're allowed to do that. But we're getting to the stage now where we need to be starting to say, well, hold on, what's happening? Are we taking it to the coast, or we're going to put more into landfill?
What weight's in a bale?
That'll be about 1.1. Okay. And they'll range between 1.1 tonne, 1,100 kilos, and they'll range from say 750 to about 1.4, 1,400 kilos, depending on what the mix of the stuff is at the time that you do it and what's there. So they're pretty chunky.
You wouldn't like it on the toe.
No.
Have to go to the doctors.
Well, do you sell the bale all the wreck you've got ready you can pick up one hand, couldn't you?
Yeah.
So it's pretty late.
Yeah, the 6% of that.
That's what it says, 700 kilograms taken on load, yeah.
I'm over that.
You want to put another zero on it?
So that's
So
basically.
this process could also go down with agricultural grant.
Yeah, if the farmers want to bring that to us, yeah, great, absolutely. We would promote that. We would promote that.
It would help keep up.
A day, wasn't it? Yeah, well, that's 1,000 days a day.
In a Corcoran. One of the
Yeah, not in the it wouldn't travel like this in the bins on the coal trucks. Okay, they have to be on a flat rack. Okay, so we would load them on our yard, so the rack would be on the ground. We'd load these by forklifts, or not forklifts, we wouldn't stab them. We did ones that flat rack size, like compressed. Pick them up, put them on the flat rack. So we put 20 on the flat rack. Big forklift comes in, picks the flat rack up, puts the flat rack on the train, on the flatbed, and away it goes.
So not because the coal goes out in those.
And those big bins, yeah. So this
That's still gonna come
necessarily
back in.
would not be going in a coal bin, as you know, a coal bin.
Okay,
It'll be on
yeah.
a flatbed
Well, are
railway.
they cheaping very
20
much?
years' time, there's probably no coal anyway. So you're going to need something to keep the railway line going.
Yeah.
If they're not using the wagons that they're bringing, if they're taking the coal over and to bring it back again,
Yeah.
they're having to duplicate.
Well, we could just tag on the back of them. Our wagons just go on the back of them. The train's going to come back anyway, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So we can just tag on the back of it.
So what's the weight on these again?
It can only be so many carriages, isn't it? There's a limit to how
Yeah. But the train's going to come back anyway. So if we tag some extra wagons on the back of it, what's the extra cost? A little bit of extra diesel to come back.
Yeah, but you're not going to be able to, are you? Because they're going to want all of those. They bring over capacity loads in this winter time.
Yeah, but he's
You're
empty.
going to be running empty anyway.
Yeah, but he's empty going back, and so he's got no weight to come back at the moment. So
But he
what?
can only only still run so many carriages per train.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm not an expert with Kiwi
Well,
Rail, so I don't.
I do know the Kiwi Rail command. So,
Okay.
and they can only run so many carriages.
I know that we're having discussions with Kiwi Rail where they would like to cut.
Because they can only handle something, I mean, going through the tunnels and over those bridges around the schools, and they can only have so much.
certain length.
And so they're not going to achieve anything, so the argument of, we're going to backfill.
There's a lot of
doesn't-
negativity around it,
doesn't
but there's
stack
a lot
up.
of